Apple iPhone SE 4 can't miss? Welcome to our channel. Today, we will explore and review the iPhone SE 4, one of the most anticipated smartphones today. Does this phone really live up to the expectations of users? We will dive into its outstanding features, design, and performance. If you are considering upgrading or buying a new one, this video will definitely be useful for you. Let's get started. iPhone SE 4. Is it really affordable? Apple is expected to launch the iPhone SE 4 in early 2025, which is positioned as the most affordable option in the SE lineup but with a rumored price tag of $549. This raises the question of whether the iPhone SE 4 is truly budget-friendly. The iPhone SE 4, Apple's latest mid-range phone, is drawing attention from consumers with its expected price of around $549. When placed next to other Apple flagships such as the iPhone 14, iPhone 15, and iPhone 16, this price may make many people wonder whether it is really worth the money. Let's compare the price and features of the iPhone SE 4 with other iPhone models to help you make an informed decision. With an expected price of $549, the iPhone SE 4 is considered a reasonable choice for those who want to own a powerful smartphone from Apple without having to spend too much money. This phone promises to bring a smooth iOS experience with processing performance equivalent to flagship models. The iPhone 14 is currently on sale for $599, while it's only $50 more than the iPhone SE 4. The iPhone 14 offers more premium features like dual cameras, an OLED display, and better water resistance. The difference could be worth it for those who love taking photos or watching movies on a big screen. Starting at $699, the iPhone 15 offers a number of design and technology improvements. The A18 Bionic chip for superior performance and sharper camera features compared to the SE. The fourth of may be reasons for users to spend a little more money. However, if you just need a phone that is enough for daily work and entertainment, the iPhone SE 4 is still a worthy choice. Ultimately, the iPhone 16, starting at $799, is not just a phone. It represents Apple's most advanced technology. If budget is no object, the iPhone 16 will definitely give you the best experience. However, with the big price difference, not everyone needs the premium features that the iPhone 16 offers. Outstanding features: 48 megapixels breakthrough camera. One of the most prominent features of the iPhone SE 4 is the expected 48 megapixels rear camera, setting new standards in the mid-range smartphone market segment. For photography enthusiasts, this is a major upgrade compared to the 12 megapixels camera of previous versions, providing significantly sharper and more detailed photos. The 48 megapixels camera not only improves image quality in good lighting conditions but also highlights the ability to take photos in low light conditions. Users will be able to create high-resolution photos, allowing them to zoom in without losing sharpness. Furthermore, shooting in RAW format will provide more customization during editing, opening up opportunities for artistic creativity. In addition to the 48 megapixel sensor, the iPhone SE 4 can integrate some advanced AI technology to optimize photography capabilities. Features such as night mode, smart HDR and scene recognition can help users easily create impressive photos without much in-depth techniques. If this information turns out to be true, the iPhone SE 4 will not only attract users because of its hardware power but also become one of the top candidates in the mid-range camera segment. With competition from devices like the Google Pixel 7a, the iPhone SE 4 is likely to hold its position thanks to its better image quality and user experience. 6.1-inch OLED display. In addition to the camera, the iPhone SE 4 is also rumored to feature a 6.1-inch OLED display, similar to the one on the iPhone XR. This will be the first time the SE lineup has featured OLED display technology, marking a major step forward not only in display quality but also in user experience. OLED displays are known for their ability to deliver vibrant colors and higher contrast than traditional LCD displays. This means users will experience more vivid images, with deeper blacks and brighter colors. Multimedia content such as videos, photos and games will be more immersive than ever, creating an exciting and engaging viewing experience. In addition to image quality, OLED screens are also more energy efficient, as they have the ability to turn off pixels when displaying black. This not only extends battery life but also makes the displayed content smoother. Furthermore, the viewing angle of OLED screens is also very wide, allowing users to view content from many directions without color distortion or loss of detail. While you can't expect 120Hz ProMotion technology on this model, that doesn't mean the display quality isn't impressive. The screen still promises to deliver smoothness and high sharpness, while meeting the needs of users watching movies, playing games and surfing the web. Significant battery capacity. When it comes to smartphones, battery life is always an important factor that affects the user experience. For the iPhone SE 4, Apple did not hesitate to invest in a major battery upgrade, with a capacity of 3,279 mAh, providing impressive usage time compared to the previous generation. With a battery capacity of 3,279 mAh, iPhone SE 4 promises to provide longer usage time, helping users feel more comfortable throughout the day with activities such as surfing the web, watching movies, or playing games. Surely you will no longer have to worry about constantly charging the battery during daily use. Along with a large battery capacity, the iPhone SE 4 is also equipped with Apple's powerful processor, which optimizes energy efficiency. Thanks to that, you can enjoy all the features of the phone without worrying about consuming too much battery. The combination of large capacity battery and optimized performance creates a better user experience. You can easily stay on task, play and connect with friends without being interrupted by battery issues. With iPhone SE 4, your day becomes more convenient. USB-C port replaces Lightning port. One of the most notable changes of the iPhone SE 4 is the ability to equip a USB-C port, instead of the traditional Lightning port that users have been familiar with for many years. This breakthrough not only represents modern technology trends but also meets the increasing needs of consumers. USB-C ports have become the standard on many technology devices today. From laptops to tablets and smartphones, the iPhone SE 4's switch to USB-C means creating synchronization between devices, helping users save time and effort in finding charging cables or accessories. USB-C allows users to charge and transfer data not only with the iPhone SE 4 but also with many other devices such as laptops, headphones and tablets. This has a great advantage in reducing the number of cables and chargers needed, making living and working spaces more tidy. One of the big advantages of the USB-C port is the ability to support fast charging speeds. This means that with the iPhone SE 4, you can fully charge the battery in a shorter time, serving the need for quick use, especially in emergency situations. This shift also fits into a trend that Apple has started with the iPhone 15 series, which also switched to USB-C, suggesting that Apple is on a long-term path to improving connectivity and versatility for users. New A18 chipset. There are a lot of rumors surrounding the chipset that this version will use. According to many reliable sources, the iPhone SE 4 is likely to be equipped with the A18 chip or Apple's own 5G modem chip. If this information is correct, the iPhone SE 4 could become one of the most powerful devices in the affordable segment. The A18 chip is known for its excellent processing performance and energy-saving capabilities, promising to bring smooth and fast experiences to the iPhone SE 4. With this chipset, users can expect significant improvements in graphics processing capabilities as well as application opening speed, helping to optimize the gaming experience and multitasking. In addition, the ability to integrate Apple's 5G modem chip will also be an important factor. 5G features enhance connection speed and stability, allowing users to experience mobile internet faster and more efficiently than ever. If the iPhone SE 4 is equipped with this chipset, users will be able to fully enjoy services such as watching 4K videos, downloading larger files, and participating in high-quality video calls without any obstacles. Flexible storage options. When it comes to choosing a smartphone, storage and RAM are often important deciding factors. The iPhone SE 4, the latest in Apple's affordable phone line, not only delivers impressive performance, but also comes in two main storage options of 128GB and 521GB. This allows users to choose the product that best suits their individual needs. In addition, with 6GB RAM, it allows you to run multiple applications at the same time without experiencing lag. This not only optimizes the experience but also ensures that you can take full advantage of the powerful features that Apple offers. Bargain or expensive? Assessing the value of the iPhone SE 4. Many consumers are now confused when comparing the iPhone SE to budget Android devices. For as little as $200, you can own a 5G smartphone with attractive performance and features. This has created concerns that Apple is gradually redefining the concept of affordable. But is the nearly $500 price tag for the iPhone SE really worth it? When it comes to affordability, a number of Android devices are offering excellent performance at competitive prices. While the iPhone SE, which starts at around $500, may be a deal breaker for many consumers considering the cost versus the benefits. While the iPhone SE gives you the full Apple ecosystem experience, from smooth iOS to high security features, is that enough to convince you to spend a larger amount of money than Android options? Deciding between an iPhone SE and a budget Android smartphone isn't just a matter of choosing between two products. It's also a matter of lifestyle and personal preference. If you value the user experience that Apple offers, the iPhone SE may be a worthy investment. On the other hand, if you want to save money while still getting a device with good performance, there's no denying that budget Android smartphones are still attractive options. Conclude. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting and useful, please like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest technology information. We would love to hear your opinion. What do you think of the iPhone SE 4? Does it meet your expectations? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends if you found it interesting. Follow us on social media so you don't miss out on exciting tech news, reviews, and tips in the future.